Welcome back to another episode of No Time to Be Hungry. Today we're in the mood for steak. Steak. We're going to take a little field trip today to the neighboring province of Sakon Nakhon. We're headed to a pretty popular place called the Steakhouse. Imagine that. Sakon Nakhon is well known for beef in Thailand. So let's go get the vehicle and go on a road trip. We're here at Farm Bua. Actually, steak farm. You want to ride it? You go. Anyway, let's go see what's on the menu. This place also has a petting zoo in the back. A lot of animals to pet. And if you like flowers, then this place always has a lot of beautiful flowers here also. How's my hat? Well, there's a lot of things to see here besides eat steak. So let's eat first, then we'll go to the petting zoo and we'll check out the farm, because it is a farm. It's very nice. We had a cold front come in the other day and the temperature dropped. I would say it's probably about maybe 28 degrees Celsius right now. It's very cool outside. Beautiful flowers. Well, I ordered a tenderloin. They didn't have any T-bone. They're out. I wanted a T-bone, but tenderloin. It came from Pon Yang Kham ranch across the street, and it's a local cow. And we'll see. We'll give it a try. I'm not always impressed with steak in Thailand. I know there's a lot of good places like in Bangkok, a lot of good imported beef that cater mostly to foreigners. But I found in Thailand that a lot of Thai people like their steak cooked a little different. And the cut's a little odd too sometimes. So it makes it a little chewy. But all that being said, it's going to be a good steak. I just know it.
กินข้าวกับเบียร์ก็แซ่บอยู่แล้ว
Well, the food is coming. This all looks good. My steak looks really good. Salad, French fries, and garlic bread. Very awesome. And that is it's a som tam gung sot, which is a fresh shrimp with som tam and pala. It's a Isan style. And the ladies got some steaks. Well, we actually got just an assortment of different types of meat. Very cool, huh? All right, let's dig into the beef and see how it tastes. Well, it's cutting pretty good. It's pretty good. It's not chewy. It's pretty tender. Not bad. Not bad at all, actually. Pretty good. A lot of places in Thailand, when you order steak, they like to cover it in this pepper gravy. The gravy is pretty good. It's like a pepper and a mushroom gravy. But here it doesn't come like served, like smothered with the gravy on top of it, which is good. Because sometimes you're not expecting that and you don't know to ask. There's more food coming. Sakon Nakhon. Look at that. I'm not really sure about like uncooked shrimp typically. And I'm not comfortable with eating it. But this looks beautiful. Most common salad dressing in Thailand is mayonnaise. I don't know why. Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Well, the hot plate's so good, we got two more. All we need now is some tortillas. Maybe some refried beans, guacamole, sour cream, some cheese.
ตรงกลางนะ กินมากินอยู่นี่แล้วมันก็ไปอันเตาง่อยล่ะไม่ได้อิ่มได้2 ชิ้นร้อย
Yes, they're cutting meat with a spoon. Really good. It's a lot cheaper than I thought it was going to be. 1,800 baht, and the ladies had 4 beers. Of course, I had a sip of one. I'm driving. Let's go check out the Let's go check out the zoo.
เพื่อนสิลาออกมาแล้วเนาะสายตัวไหนห้องแม่กันมาเลยแม่โอ้โหแม่อะไรห้องเดี๋ยวนี้แม่ตัวเดียวยืนอยู่เลยอีดำมันอันนี้แกะอันนี้แกะวิ่งตายมาเสียมืออมนี่เสียมาต้มซุปแกะมาต้มซุปยังไงต้มซุปไม่ใช่สิว่าต้มซุปนี่ได้ทั่วแลนเลยได้บนโลกกันเลยนะเขาให้หัวอาหารนะอันนี้จะโลกแท้เจ้านะนี่บางไหนนี่ยังนี่ตามก้นขนาดเลยตามก้นหมดเขา
You're a little greedy. How'd you get out?
มันโดดคุกมันต้องได้กินแล้วนะพี่กินได้กับพ่อแม่เจอเมื่อต่ำโอ้ยน่าสงสารกินที่ไหนไม่ผิด แม่เงินน้อยบ้านฟาร์มตะแคงไปก่อนนะ ไปรัดเท็กซัสก่อนนะไปผู้เดียวนะบ๊ายบายไปรัดเท็กซัสก่อนนะอันไหนโผล่มาบ่อันนี้ที่อะไรไอติมอร่อย
ไอติมอร่อย
มะพร้าวอ่อนซองดีทุเรียนนี่ปลาร้าทำการลองน้ำปลาที่ไหนปลาร้าแดงนุ่มปลาร้าโอ้ยเกิดอะไร
นี่คืออะไร Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of No Time to Be Hungry. You guys got to come to Sakon Nakhon. A lot of cool places to eat here, a lot of things to do. Sakon Nakhon is one of the largest Christian communities too. And during Christmas, they have a big parade, Christmas time. But anyway, if you like today's video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We'll see you guys on the next video. Khap Kun Khap. Bye.